Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome back to the show. This is 1200 CHD Hardy Sporty coming at you with another video. This is about the neutral sensor switch. Like for me, instantly, I woke up this morning trying to get ready to get out, run my errands, and I came across this. Let me show you here. Turn on ignition to ACC. And then to operating mode, turn on the ignition switch. As you can hear, the pump for the gas is turned over, so that means I have power. But you notice something above? There's no neutral light. So when I would have started, nothing. You see? Nothing. So this is what you do in this case. Voltage regulator, check your battery, make sure you have juice. Anything over 12.5 is good. So then you move over to the next step, which would be checking for any loose cables. Electrolyte lubricant would do the job for all your connectors. It would lube them and clean them, keep them fresh, away from dirt, water, and salt. After that, what you would do is go down here to this neutral sensor switch module connector. If you can get a good picture of it right there. And I would connect to the ground. Let me see if I could show you here, guys. Sorry about this. Yeah, that's connected to the ground. White cable to the ground. Close up. There it is. And the other end, which is right here. Let me show you in my fingertips. Connect it to the module. Like so. Then you get up again, give it another shot. Oh, wait a minute, there's a neutral light going on. It's trying to kick over. And there it goes. Neutral light sensor switch is what I need. Thanks for watching. And follow up on the next videos. I have a few coming out. Caliber rebuild and neutral sensor switch. That's all for today. Thanks again.